Welcome back, everyone. The man behind the camera just came back from yard and garage sailing. As you can see, get a few goodies here on the table. Let's start off with this Panasonic Mini DV camcorder. Oldie but goodie. Plays these tapes here. A lot of people use these still to play back on their television, so ended up getting all the wiring for that operation. So big shout out to the seller. Might get rid of it, I don't know. But keep in mind, again, everything you see here on the table is up for grabs. If anyone wants to claim it, I'll be over on EG, or should I say IG, Instagram. Next item, right here, brand new micro torch by Mag Torch. I just put butane in it, and she fires up like the devil. All kind of accessories. I guess that's solder over there. Cool. Next one. Steering wheel cover. Don't know if it's leather. I don't think it's leather. I don't see anywhere here that it's leather. Shout out to Taiwan. Yeah, who knows? Let's see here. I've got 4 Burberry glass cases. No glasses, no sunglasses, none of that. Just empty boxes. Cool, very good shape. This item, it's a Dell Inspire 1525. Anyways, great little oldie. It's not no Windows 10, but I believe you could put up to Windows 7 in that. Let's go over here. Actually, let's go to this little guy right here. The Cowardly Lion from Wizard of Oz. Don't know if it's like some kind of cast pewter or some sort of material there. Yeah. Good shape. Got this little unit. Handmade. These here, I believe they're G.I. Joes. Maybe I'm mistaken, but I think they are. I like this one the best. Always been into ninjas and all, martial arts and etc. This is not a G.I. Joe, but as you can see, I do like ninjas. That's why I grabbed it. I didn't even read this. Let me see. Yeah, just a cheap toy. But who knows what I'm gonna do with that? Might not even keep it. One of you guys and gals claim it. Last one, actually not even the last one, but another item, Humminbird, Sonar 541 fish finder. Really good shape. Doesn't have the wires, but working condition. The guy insists that it does work. I believe it since I know where he lives. Another item from Germany. Come on. There it is. Come on. Right there. From Richard's Soligen. Little pocket knife. Stainless steel. And then one last item, which I thought was the best item of the day. And it's from Akai. S612. Right there, MIDI digital sampler. This thing is a classic. These things are not cheap. But yeah, it's a goodie. Can do all kinds of mixing, looping, you name it. Hey, shout out to the reflection guy back there. Anyways, that's all I have. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick haul video. Yard sale, garage sale, moving sale. It was a fun day. Love it. Can't wait for tomorrow. I might do it again. I don't know. Let me open this blade here. We'll close out on this blade. Also, while I have you guys and gals here, I want to give a shout out to everyone who has been commenting, liking, disliking, smashing those buttons left and right. Appreciate it. Also, I want to give a special shout out to all the haters and the trolls out there. You guys and gals know who you are as well. So, with that being said, let me get back to paradise.